Love, we do, can't really say we've ever really get affected by hurricanes, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we follow along, and obviously Ocean City's on the ocean, right? But this, one of the biggest changes this year, I was about to say this Fiona storm. This Fiona storm, I don't want to be like dramatic. It might be dramatic if I say it's been like devastating.
Yeah.
Shaw's without power for 12 days. Judy's daughter was out for 21 days. And I just want to take a second to show you this area of Stanhope. It's just crazy. Like the amount of trees that are just laid over, and evidently laid on power lines too. So part of the issues with everyone not having power. I think up here is the section where the poles are all done. We did do a U-turn because we came down through here before. Oops. There we go. There we go. We did do a U-turn. We came down through here before. You like this field coming up here, didn't you?
Yeah, the big green field.
Yeah, my windows look horrible.
Yeah.
Freaking dogs. Who we love. That I love to hate. This dum-dum right here. There, this field right here is the one you were... Yeah, can't really see. Big and green, you said snow geese. Except they don't have any snow geese left. But it is a big field. All right, on the serious note, serious side, it gets worse up at the end, but like this whole forest is just laid over. When I get up here more, I'll slow down. Appears to be too, like a lot of the poles got snapped. Not through here. Where's that little utility guy? That's where they were the worst. All right, so it's this section here, I think, is where it starts. Where is he at? Because we noticed he was working on lines, and then you noticed, Karen, that basically they just left the lines and ran new lines. Right here it goes. There's a pole snapped. Crazy, isn't it? Like that pole it really just did snap. Nobody's behind us. Yeah, that pole really did just snap. There it is right there on the ground. On up. This is the provincial park, right?
Yes.
All to the east. No, yeah, to the north. Because we are headed east. And right along the beach, obviously, well, it's not obvious, but it was a hard north wind, which did the devastation. James at Shaw's was telling us at the airport it was 170 kilometers an hour, and they suspect that Shaw's had it a little bit stronger. They were right, basically Shaw's is right on the beach. But on up here is what made me turn around, because it's freaking crazy looking, right?
Went off.
Yeah. This still, not that this is good, but up here is even worse, where it's just like the whole forest, if you will.
Just sticks, sticking there. No leaves, no branches.
Yeah, normally too, this would be, especially Shaw's, it would be so picturesque. Fall leaves, and like there's not a leaf on a tree. Right up here is that little section, I think. You want to get a photo, you say?
No, a little bit further.
Oh, a little bit further. We'll stop. Nobody's behind us. So there's more line on the ground. And I think this is where it's just laid. It's just laid over. There, look up in there.
Yeah.
Nobody's behind us. Yeah, that's all the national park. All those trees were topped, I guess. Lots and lots of trees. I'll get some. We need to get some footage of Shaw's, but there's lots of segments. There's a snapped telephone pole. Segments of all the trees are like literally just like it seemed to be. Like look up in there, like at 45s, isn't it? Yeah, they're just all snaps. Some are uprooted, and the other ones just snap. So That's what I mean when I say devastating or devastation. That might be picture worthy. What do you think? Yeah. All right, we're out being tourists, enjoying ourselves, are we not? Are we not, love?
Yeah. Just want to see more of the island.
All right. Well, I'm gonna hop out.
Okay.
I get a good angle. Appreciate you following along. Thank you very much. As always, thinking of you, we are. Boom, boom. Here comes the truck. I'll just kind of wave him on. All right. Let's check this out. So I already ended the video, but here's some bonus footage, just because you can really see up in there how crazy it is. Look at it's just laid over. First of all this is out on the road, and look up in there. Wow. All right, we are going to drive up. I don't think we can get up into the national park, but let's you want to try. All right. Bonus footage. Let's see how far we can get up in the park. Closed to all users. We can get up there a little bit though, right? Look at all that. Yeah. Go over in there. Wow. Look over here. Yeah, like some of it, yes, agreed. But it's interesting, and I don't understand 100%. Like some of them are just snapped, whereas other ones are just uprooted. So I guess it's just kind of the luck of the draw. Yeah, most of this stuff is uprooted. How far do you think we're going to get up in there? To the beaches? Oh, there's the ocean. There we go. That's as far as we're gonna get. It's all right. There's some geese way over there. All right, we're gonna do a U-turn. All right, now the video is officially over. Thanks for following along. And as always, thinking of you, we are.